Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making tofu curry. It's a simple but flavorful curry with aromatic spices and a savory soy sauce. Drain the tofu and pat it dry with a paper towel. Mince the garlic and ginger. And finely chop the onion. Heat oil in a frying pan over low heat. Add the prepared garlic, ginger, and onion, and cook until softened. Add the tofu to the pan, crumble it, and stir fry until most of the moisture evaporates. Add curry powder, ketchup, and soy sauce. Stir until everything is well coated. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Plate the cooked rice. Top with the tofu curry and enjoy. At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. The biggest difference between farm tofu and silken tofu is their texture, which comes from the way they are made. Farm tofu has a dense texture created by pressing out excess water after the soy milk curds are formed. This makes it ideal for cooking methods like stir-frying, simmering, grilling, or frying, as it holds its shape well. Silken tofu features a smooth, creamy, and delicate texture because it is solidified without pressing out the water. It works best in lighter dishes such as soups, salads, or desserts.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.